Hey guys, and welcome back to Kids Coding Playground. Today I'll be showing you guys one of these projects I made around 3 or 4 years ago. It was a space boss fight game. I've had this in the vault for a while, but I've never made a tutorial for it. So here I'm going to show you guys the game, and if you guys want to see a tutorial for it, leave a comment down below. So this is just a demonstration of the game. Alright, so I'm going to go full screen and play it. So here's the actual game. It's kind of just like a Space Invader type game. Kind of like Rock Blaster. Yeah, but you kind of just kill some of these aliens, and when you reach a certain amount of kills, the boss comes out, and you need to fight the boss. So here's the boss. Yep. So use the arrow keys to move around, spacebar to shoot. I'll have the game in the link in the description if you guys want to play for yourself. So you just kind of do this. You see the health bar on the top is declining. And there we go. We took down the boss. Yeah, and then we get the oxygen supply back. Yeah, and that's pretty much the game. It's just a little cutscene in the beginning, and then you find some aliens, and there's a boss. Maybe we won't have the beginning. Maybe I can do a tutorial on how to make the actual boss fight with the health bar and everything. That'd be pretty cool if you guys would like to see it. Just leave a comment down below. Alright, yeah, so that's it for this video. It's just a demonstration of this space boss fight I made a few years ago. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.